Gustada, punta más, copia la misma montaña que Mendoza, Jefferson, copia, Casuliano.
Nagkagawan. Yung sinimplihan lang niya ito.
Robertson, 2 points.
Wow. Pasok ang unang tira ni Fernandez. Second throw. Ay, repuslo nga. Isang layout. Nag-free-throw na naman. Muntik na naman.
Kapatid. Pasto Mendoza ngayon ng pagkaya. Mendoza, lumaragasa.
Yung may foul.
Foul, Raquel.
Number 4.
2 minutes 5 seconds. 2 minutes 5 seconds. 20 against 32. 12-13. Barak squad.
Dalawang hagis. Wow. Hindi pumasok. Yung
Good job, 1 out and 2.
pumasok ang pangalawa.
10 seconds to shoot.
White ball. Clear white ball. Sundot.
6, 5, 4, 3.
Yun, nag-free throw na naman. Tinawagan ng foul si Kuya Nego. Penalty situation na pala. Alay penalty. Small police. Isa pa.
1 minute and
Chicken
27
joints.
seconds. Second try, wala pa rin.
Oh, jump.
Jump ball. Out of position. White team.
Wah.
Right ball.
Ayun.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Shari route.
14 seconds shot clock.
14 na tinatawag.
10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Ayos talaga. Kitang-kita yung linya.
Kapatid, side back. Masyado pala ka. Di ba wala pa natin? Stop! Wala pa rin.
Galing naman.
Ako lang mo. Adong foul.
Patay.
Those 7
Hindi
seconds.
kayo ganahan sa laro. Tumigil na ka.
Yano, who's kapatid? Yano.
Oh. Napa-time out bigla. Let's game to the ball back. Back ball to the goal game.
39 seconds.
May 30 may bisekundo. 32-21 ang score in favor of red team. Ay, white team pala, white team. Aray ko, tumira ang red team. White team ang lamang. Ayay.
No more shot clock. 20 seconds.
Iya, tinirahan ng tres.
Sayang.
So 10,
Ay, siyang titira ng
10, 9,
Ay, natin ni Gusi Kuya Rico. Sayang.
8 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
May tira
2,
pa yata.
1.
Alam mo, buti di masok. Ay, umalog.
21 is 32. 11-point lead. Barak squad.
May 11 points.
Kusada.
Iyay.
Wala, bola. Masyado madula. Rumangan na. Fernandez. Okay.
Nagalit sa
Holding foul. Number 4. Jefferson against number 11. Jefferson, Liano, his fondo. Fernandez. Number 41.
Si Kuya Nito.
Besson brings the ball to Max.
Lista mo na yung board na yan. Gaganti kaya ang puti. Gaganti.
5 seconds remaining time, third quarter. Score 32 and 26. Takes 20. Barak one. Jefferson against Besson. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ay, ay. Gaganda ng pagkagawa. Yo. Galing talaga ni Liano mag-box. Yo, pa-substitution sila mga
Young
idol.
out, Tomya in. Number 9 round, Raquel in. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Remaining time, third quarter. Kapatid may dala ng bola ngayon para sa mga nakapula. Bumiliskat eh, pass to Bondo. Bondo ka rin Kusada. Bondo, ito sa Stephen Jefferson. Pass to Kusada. Kusada, back to Jefferson. Jefferson. Back to Raquel. Raquel, the floor leader of the back one. Kusada bounce. Rebound by Fernandez. Balak na eh. Kapatid. From the downtown. Rebound by Fernandez.
Yun, nice nuts na.
Pass to Comia ngayon. Nagpapalali, Comia, penetrate. Using the ball, yes sir! Comia, 2 points. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 5 minutes 50 seconds. 10 points lead, last one. 26 against 11.
Balik uli sa 10 ang lamang mga idol.
Kusada.
At medyo minalas ng konti ang
Jefferson may
ating
dala ng bola para sa mga nakapula.
pula.
Dumiliskat eh, pass to
Kuko ng pula.
Siyempre, Kusada. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Ay, nag-in out pa.
In and out. Rebound by number 11. Pass to Bondo. Bondo.
Gaganti ang pula, gaganti.
Quick move. Good job. Use the ball.
Oh, easy naman. Ang pinaka.
Jefferson. Score 26 against 20. 36 against 20. And 20 Barak one. Jefferson. All alone from the downtown.
Bam! Parang retro lang lagi ang binibiro na idol lang.
3 points. Jefferson.
Galing ng pagka-save.
Tapay.
Oh, grabe talaga to si...
Dumidiretso ng Fernandez. Against 3.
Wow, di pa pumasok. Yo, napasab sa laksak ni Dodong. Lakda. May isa pa Dodong.
Barks one for penalty. He can try.
Napustuhan ni Pastores.
4 minutes 15 seconds. Jefferson dumidiskarte. Pass to Comia. Comia ngayon. 13 seconds shot clock. Pass to Pastores. Pastores. Oh. With you. Second team foul. 4 minutes 2 seconds. 4 minutes. Gonzalez. Kusada against Catley. Kusada. Pick up foul. Lapit Catley. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza. Ipasok. And the Jefferson. Ang bilis doon. Jefferson ngayon. May dala ng bola. Pasok Kusada. Kusada. Robert Gasa. Sa pambang. Rebound by Fernandez. Fernandez may dala ng bola. Pasok na ng bola. Fernandez tumidiretso. May pasok Fernandez. Pastores against Quezon. Pastores. Back to Jefferson.
Kinain na yung pito eh. Tinitigal ka tulo.
Gomia, against Desmond. Gomia. 4, 3, up.
Out kaya nito.
For 10 seconds at last, Cruzada, pass to Raquel. Raquel from the downtown. Got the pocket. Catley. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 2 minutes 48 seconds. The minute time, third quarter. Fernandez kaya may dala bola kepada si kapten. Fernandez pass to Deson. Pass to number 11. Number 11.
Galing ah. Basta may foul. Foul nga ni. Si Pastores ang foul.
$39. 11-point lead. Barracks 1. Deson. Substitution. Rafael, may dala ng bola. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Dominican. Headed to the Deson. Deson yan ang mamadali. 2 minutes to 1. Masyadong malakas ang board. Ito sa board. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Nuggets. Mendoza. Come here, nagmamadali. Come here, look at the board. Yes, sir. Dinaan sa net. 10 seconds to shoot. Liano against Mendoza. Liano kinaliwa. Liano.
Huli lang ang 2 points ni Liano.
Good for 2 by Bristol. Liano. 31 against 43.
Kompleto kaya. Ay, unang hagis sa
South
bahay.
Division. With remaining time, 52 seconds. Last to rebound. Rebound by Cosada. Liano.
Lamang na ang matangkad mga idol.
45 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Shot clock receive. Mendoza against Raquel. Mendoza against Comadre. Against Comia. Mendoza. Penetrate. Rebound by Pastores. Pass to Comia. Comia against Comadre. Comia. Pass to Cosada. What a pass! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Saturday Pumira.
3,
Ay, siya. Idol Ares. Nakapahabol pa ng 3.
43 against 34. 43 against 34.
43-34. Baliktaran na nga ang score mga idol.
Third down. In and out. Give up Raquel. Raquel. Pass to Liano. Liano saves the time.
Yun
Relax daw.
ang tamang position. Relax. Lamang.
Pass to Jefferson. 14 seconds shot clock. Jefferson to the
Nag-free throw na
downtown.
naman
In
sa
and out.
3.
Agawa na po. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Pass to.
Nothing.
8 minutes and 2 seconds. Raquel from the downtown. Pasa pala. Liano tumokop. Pass to Fernandez. Is it a ball? Ako na mo. Fernandez.
Wow! Lumabas! Time out na dahil sa supply.
Foul. Mendoza para sa left. Connect. Second try. In and out. Rebound by Raquel. Pass to Jefferson. Score. 45 against 37. 45 against 37. 8-point lead, Baraswan. Raquel, 14 seconds to shoot. And the second five. Dami yung pinsa yan. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Liano, good for two. 15 seconds. Mendoza from the downtown. Mendoza.
Mendoza.
Lead Baraswan. 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Kusana, pumukol. In and out. Rebound by Liano. Back to Comia. Back. George. Save by Liano. So Jefferson. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Shot clock receipt. Rebound by again. Liano. Is it the board? Yes, sir. Liano. Good for 2. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Nesson from the downtown.
Ball, napa-time out ang Barracks 3. The red team.